Hello friends. In today's class, basically we will be discussing how to create a physical inventory document, then how we will be able to post, count, and then we post the difference in EWM, and we check the stock for both EWM as well as ERP. So, just going forward, we have already maintained the configuration for physical inventory document, and we are executing the launchpad transaction. So first step, what we will do is, as you can see in my screen, first step, we'll just use this T code to create a physical inventory document. So going to this, I'll go to this screen. Okay. So first what we do, we use the T code create. We have to use the T code create, press enter, enter press after, and after pressing enter, what you do is you select. Make sure first thing you are doing it in your warehouse. This is our warehouse, and you are carrying out this procedure. This is first very much important. So this is storage bin specific. So basically we are carrying out storage bin specific physical inventory. So make sure you maintain this. The next step is you select storage bin, and you have to create a document, physical inventory document for which bin. So this is our monitor. I hope you know the transaction for monitor. So we have the available stock here. Okay, available quantity, the physical stock, okay, total overall stock, which is known to us. So what we will do is we will select this. Uh, yeah, what I'll do, I'll select not this one. I will do one. Yeah, I'll select this bin, third bin. Okay, I'll just copy this. And I'll paste it here. So as soon as I paste it and execute it, you can see this one. Okay, I'll just switch this to the form view. Yeah, now we can see this. In order to carry out the physical inventory process, we make sure we have to activate this physical inventory. The document has to be activated, or else we cannot. Uh, so reference is not mandatory. You can put anything like inventory test or something. Anything you can just carry out. So, okay. The next step is you please set the flag. You have to set the flag. After setting the flag, okay. So it is the flag is active. Uh, yeah. I'll just show you this. Yeah, so the priority here, then this one, and for which storage bin you are doing it. So after doing this, what we will do, we have set the flag as well. We'll go ahead and we'll save the document. So we have to make sure. So this is the year 2025, and this is the document number. So as per the number ranges, we have maintained this number range. Just copy this document number for which we have posted. So this is our document number. Okay, so the next step is we'll go and process the document. So what we will do here is to go into this, we'll use the second step. We'll go to the PI process. So after going, press enter. So what we do here is we'll paste the document number which he has created, the physical inventory document, and we'll run. So now what happened here is you can see that I just switch this, click on this one, switch to form view, and you just see all the details. So this is the document number which you had created for this storage bin, and you can see the, yeah, you can see the procedure AL, and this is the activity area. So this is our activity area for storage type 0010. Okay, so it is carrying out activity area for 0010. So what we will do is next step. Sorry guys, I'm a little fast. Really sorry, I don't have time for that. So basically, I'm just taking a lot of time to execute this because there are a lot of topics have to be covered in further on videos. So basically, you will definitely like the uh, the topics. It's very much interesting. So next, the next thing what we will do here is, okay. Now you can just see this action here. The description of the action is count, and that is active. Okay. So what we do here next is we'll just click on this one. The next step what we do, the action is count and the status is active. So what we'll do is just click on this one and we press here count. So as soon as we press count here, it is asking the counter. So as per our configuration, we have assigned the user only one user ID for counting. Okay, so I'll just take you to that. So in our case, our user ID is this one. It's S23 WM61. Okay. So make sure as per our configuration, we have to enter the, okay. So this is our user. And what is the counter date? So on count date, what date you're counting? So it is today's date, 23rd. So as soon as you give this one, okay, the transaction is successfully executed. And in this below line, you will find this sequence number. So we'll just click on this and click on form view. So you can check out all the details here. So this is, we are carrying out this for storage bin specific. I have told you already that, see, we are executing the PI process for storage bin specific. Okay. So as per that one, the system is capturing this for this bin for which we had selected. So the item category you have to maintain. What is the item category? Now we are having the uh, we are maintaining the item category as product. Why? Because you can just see our monitor here. See, in our monitor we have only product. We have handling unit, but we have in different storage types. So we have only product listed here. So because of that, I am selecting product. The system, what it does, the system has to count. We are telling the system to count in a particular bin a product or a handling unit. So in our case, it is a product. And for which product? We have to specify the product. Why? Because we might be having multiple products in one bin. So we have to specify the product number. So in our case, it is 55 product, and the stock type, make sure the stock type is F2, unrestricted use. Okay. And here, this is very much important. You have to understand this. So this is nothing but the physical quantity. So as per our directions or as per our instructions, we tell the warehouse worker to count the product in the system. So for example, for this storage bin, there are 10 available physical quantity here. So 10 quantities available. So but the warehouse worker has found only 5 quantity, okay, out of 10, or he has found only 2 quantity out of 10. He has found only, physically he has seen that out of 10 only 2 quantity is available. Okay, so we are just giving it manually. Okay, and we press it enter. So the details for disposal party and owner is already listed here. So what we do here is, yeah, we have maintained all this one. So we are as per our physically counted, he is telling that it's, sorry, I'll take 9 items out of 10. Okay, 9 and press enter. Okay, so out of 10, the warehouse worker he sees physically he's having only 9 items. Okay, so he sees there are only, after counting physically, he says that he has counted only 9 items and only 9 items are, sorry, 9 products are available. Okay, so what I do here is, next step, we have already counted that. Yeah, we have given it. So what we will do here, we will go ahead and we will save the document. Now what happened? The document 1 to 2, okay, this document is counted, okay. So after counting, we can just see the status that the description of this section has been changed to post difference, and the status initially it was counting. Now the status has been counted. I mean to say, as per our process, first step we have created it. After that, second step we had processed and we have counted. Okay. And the third step we will follow the post difference. Okay. So we have to post the difference for which we had counted. So the status is counted here. Okay. Now what we will do here is we will just see the difference totals. I mean to say the tabs here. So out of 10 pieces, the physically the warehouse worker has found only 9 pieces out of 10 pieces. So in book of inventory, if you see, okay, I'll just click on this and switch to the form view. So you can see the quantity, total quantity here, booked quantity is 10. That is nothing but the system quantity. So as per in the system, the quantity, available quantity is showing, okay, the 10. But the count items, as per the count items or the difference totals, as per the physical the warehouse worker which has found, he has found only 9, okay, out of 10. In book of inventory it's 10, because as per the system the stock is 10 only, okay. So we'll go to the difference details and we'll see this one, and the reference, yeah. So after reference you can just check the change history. See, in the change history you can see the first step is create. We have created first a physical document, physical inventory document, and then second step we have counted, okay. Now what we do is we just click this one and we click it on. No, one second, I'll just go ahead, I'll just show this one, form view. Mm, okay, so you can see here, so there's nothing to see here. Okay, so I'll click on this and I'll just go ahead and post. So as soon as I post, okay, and save, post and then save, next step. The document 1 to triple D, the document is now posted. Okay, we have completed the steps. Okay, all the 3 steps are completed. The first step was create. We have created a physical document. We generated document number, this one. Then second we have processed and we have counted. And third we had posted a difference. Now what we will do is we will go ahead and check the stock in EWM. Why? Because posting difference is possible only in EWM. So we can post the difference only in EWM. We can post it in ERP as well, but for now I'm just telling you to the post. So basically posting the difference is done in EWM, but in ERP also it can be done using difference analyzer. So that topic we will be discussing in the next class. So what I'll do here is I'll just go ahead to the monitor. So monitor is already here. What we will do here is we will see the total quantity here. Okay, I'm just saying the total quantity is 18 here. Okay, sorry, I'll refresh this. So yeah, you see the total filter out. No, sorry, total. Yeah. So you can see that previously we had 18 total stock, total 18 product. I mean, the total number were 18. Now in this bin for which we had done for 0030 bin, okay, we had 10 quantity available. So as soon as we had posted a difference in EWM, the quantity changes to 9. Why? Because we had posted one difference. Okay, so the stock here is 9 and the overall stock here out of 18 it becomes 17. Okay, so basically this is the output and this is the outcome for posting the difference in EWM using physical inventory process. In the next class I'll be discussing about the difference analyzer. You please be posted and please watch the video completely. Okay, the videos might be lengthy but you have to take some time in order to understand. Thank you very much.